Hi guys, and welcome to another quick informed video. So yeah, a lot of good news in my life so far, guys. So yeah, sorry for kind of the late upload, but I do want to thank some of my viewers out there for showing me this information. Like I said, I've just been really busy and I can't tell you exactly what just yet, but it's really exciting news. But here we go, guys. Like I said, thank you for you guys for your support, and I couldn't do it without you guys, the viewers. So here it is. It's the LG Dynasty. So as you can see, or well, yeah, LG Tribute Dynasty, or LG Dynasty, well, whichever one. But I call it the LG Tribute Dynasty, which is what it's called. So here's some pictures of it. As you can see, very nice. So as you can see, here's the front camera. There you go. So as you can see, it's rocking definitely at least 7.0 nougat, but we'll look at more in that. There we go. It actually reminds me kind of like an LG K8 that like US Cellular and some other carriers offer. So you can see with that back button in the back. So you have your rear camera with rear flash, and I'm guessing it's your power button in the back. Your rear speaker, nice LG logo on the back. Whoops. And here we go, there's the phone again. So let's look more into it. So right now, what's cool about this, guys, it's actually on sale. Remember when I told you this phone was coming out, I said it was going to be $100. Well, Boost Mobile came out with the phone, and it's actually on sale. It's only $60. Very cool. And you can also, check this out, for an extra 10% off online only, you enter the code 2018 and the checkout, and you'll save 10% off the purchase price. So it's going to be even cheaper than that. So let's see what features this phone carries. It's a 5.0 HD touchscreen display, so it's very nice that it does have an IPS touchscreen display. It's HD. It has an 8 megapixel rear facing camera with 5 megapixel front facing camera. So the camera is nothing to really, cheer about or anything like that. It's just, I guess, standard, a budget phone. Talk time. It only has a 2,500 milliamp battery, but I mean the phone's kind of small, so it doesn't have like a big screen where it's gonna really suck up so much battery life. But I mean, I wish it was at least a 3,000 milliamp battery, like I said earlier. It does have at least 16 gigabytes of ROM with 2 gigabytes of RAM, so that's gonna be pretty fast. At least your phone won't be that sluggish. It's gonna be 3G/4G/LTE plus, so definitely if you're in a LTE plus area, you will benefit from them speeds. It has an MTK octa-core processor, so that is nice. It's a 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor at that, so it will be quick and snappy. So for all you guys that are parents out there that are getting these phones, like let's say for your kids because it's a budget device, they will be able to, let's say, play Minecraft and all other games like that without any problems. Nougat 7.1 or 7.1 Nougat OS, very nice. It does have the newest software with it. It's pretty cool having a budget device with all these features. Mexico roaming capable, voice roaming, mobile hotspot. Definitely a lot of people getting tablets, past Christmas or this Christmas that just passed, and everybody wants that mobile hotspot. So that's something with it. And here's just some other features: weight, screen size, talk time. What's cool is it does, yes, have a removable battery, guys. So a lot of you guys ask me, does it have a removable battery? And the answer is yes. So here's more of it. But overall, that's a quick video. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to go ahead and buy this phone so I can do an unboxing review. Most likely I am, but give me that little push, guys. So like I said, guys, more content to come through. I am going to have some, quote vacation time for about 2 weeks, which is good. I finally get some vacation time, so we'll be able to upload almost either daily or every other day for you guys, and kind of beef up my game 2018 with the YouTube videos and all that stuff. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. This is Dragonic Warfare signing off. A lot of cool links and all that stuff in the description below, so check all that out. You can support me on Patreon down below, and official shirts are on sale, affiliated links, all that cool stuff, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and more videos to come.